As the initial step, you have to test your RAM card. To do that, go to search bar, type run, tap on it. You need to type mdsched.exe, tap on OK. So in this menu, tap on restart now and check for problems. It will restart your computer and check the memory related issues. Once done, again go to start menu, go to setting, tap on privacy and security option, tap on Windows security, tap on open Windows security, again tap on virus and threat protection, tap on quick scan. It will scan your computer for virus and malware. Again go to search bar, type command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. You need to type sfc /scan now, hit enter. Once the process is completed, again you need to type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health, hit enter. Once the process is completed, you can close this one and restart your PC. If this error is happened while you are installing Windows, you can simply delete your partitions because it has some correct partitions. Then after recreate that partition using Windows Disk Manager kind of things. So then after you can retry to installation. Then after go to setting like this, go to Windows Update option, tap on advanced options, scroll down and tap on optional updates. If there is any optional update available, you can just simply install that one. Again go to search bar, type run, hit and OK. You need to type sysdm.cpl and hit enter. In this menu, go to advanced tab. Under the performance section, go to setting, go to data execution prevention, select the second option, tap on add. In this list, you have to add the problematic executable file. Like an example, this is one of the executable file. Just select that one, tap on open. Again go to search bar, type run, tap on it. You need to type msconfig, hit enter. Go to the services tab, tick hide all Microsoft services option, tap on OK, and again go to startup option, tap on open task manager. Under the status section, disable all the enabled applications. If it is enabled, just tap on disable. Once it is done, you can close this one and restart your computer. Again go to search bar for the final method, type reged, reged, open the registry like this.